What's up, my bomb ass subscriber squad? What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am your girl TonyaNicole. For all you all that for you all that do not know or may not know, now you know, boo. So guys, today I'm bringing back a oldie. We're going to be unboxing a box that I canceled a few months back, but I resubscribed because some of my subscribers said they wanted to see me unbox this box. So guys, the Glitz Glam box. I saw some spoilers on their past boxes that I missed, and they really stepped their game up. So I thought I would give them just 3 more months just to see if I like them again, to subscribe full time, I guess you would call it. I don't know, guys. So if you guys want to see my unboxing of this Glitz Glam box, yeah, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment down below, and subscribe to your girl. Okay guys, so we're gonna do this quick little video on this Glitz Glam box unboxing. And guys, if you have not done so already, please go ahead and subscribe to your girl. And while you're at it, give this video a big thumbs up because you know you're gonna like it. Yeah, I know you will too. Thank you. Anyway, guys, a few months ago, I did cancel this subscription because originally they started out at $15 per month, no shipping, all of that good stuff. So it was just 15 bucks. And then one day I checked my statement and they've charged me $2.99 for shipping. And I wasn't warned, I guess, or advised in advance. So I decided to cancel the subscription. But some of my subscribers have been telling me that this box is a good little box to get. So I thought I would give it 3 more months and see if we really liked it or nah. So for you guys that do not know, Glitz Glam box is a beauty monthly subscription. It is $15 per month plus $2.99 shipping. You get 1 glitter product, 1 pair of lashes, and 2 to 3 full-sized beauty products. Yes, I wrote it down, guys, so I would not forget. And I want y'all to get into this eye look today. Look at that, y'all. I'm giving y'all lizard or reptile. I don't know what it is, but I'm feeling these eyes, which y'all will see this look in another video because I'm filming back-to-back videos today. So the lip may change, but the eyes are still gonna be the same. But it looks so good. Girl, I'm getting better. So without further ado, let's get right on into this unboxing. I already cut it to make it a little easier for me. Oh, well, yeah. Oh, geez. Alrighty, and this is what we're looking like on the inside of the box. I took the contents out of the box. I'm just gonna set them here so it'll be a little easier for me to go through them. They always come with a card in the box, and the back of the card says, follow us at Glitz Glam box back here. And on the front, the theme seems to be Hollywood for this month. Oh, Hollywood Glam. And they give you a list of the products as well as the prices. And you guys know the routine. I will put the prices on the bottom of the screen. We'll do a grand total towards the end. Up first, on top, I am seeing these lashes here. And these are the Glam Lashes Seal by Ofa. This is a full glam faux lash. Now, if you guys know me and are old to the channel, y'all know that these type of lashes are definitely not for me. They are so natural, so thin. I like a more fuller, dramatic lash, so I will be putting these into a giveaway for you guys, and these guys retail for $3. Up next, I have from Pinky Rose Cosmetics, and it is this look like glitter shadow here, pressed glitter. Let's open it up and see what it's looking like. I will not take this shadow out of the pack because I don't want to touch it. I'm going to put this in a giveaway for you guys. But this is what it's looking like, this beautiful gold pressed glitter. It's actually a very, very pretty color. I actually like it a lot, but I just don't do the pressed glitter. I'm more of a shimmer girl. So we'll put this in a giveaway for you guys as well. And this, guys, is the pressed glitter Pinky Rose, and it retails for $3 as well. Up next, I am seeing from Glam Light this milkshake lips. The packaging on this is gorgeous. Look at that. It's like a little milkshake right here. That is so cute. I love it. I love it. Can y'all see that? Let me hold it back a little bit. Look at that, guys. It's so pretty. Let's open this baby up. Ooh. So when we open it up, it is a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous pink color with some glitter in it. And what I do like is there's like a little mirror on the back here. But y'all, this is definitely a little too pink for me, especially with it being fall. I don't know. Doesn't have a smell. I will not even attempt to put this on my lips, guys. I'm sorry. I'm just going to put this in a giveaway as well for one of you lucky guys. But this is a beautiful, beautiful pink color. I love the color. And let's see what this retails for. This, guys, is the Milkshake Glitter Lip Gloss from Glam, and it retails for $12. And it says that it's a glitter gloss lip topper. So I'm still not gonna use it. I don't know. I'll probably give this to my niece or put this in a giveaway for you guys. But this is really, really, really cute. And last up, guys, I am seeing from Iconic Beauty this palette right here, guys, Hollywood. And oh, okay, now they have some beautiful shades on the back. It's definitely giving me fall vibes, which y'all know I like. Ooh, hey girl. And there is a mirror, and this is the palette right here, guys. Look how beautiful that is. Absolutely gorgeous. I love it. So we're gonna swatch a few of these so I can see how they feel. So you have some shimmers and some matte shades. So I'm gonna do 3 shimmers and 3 matte colors, okay? This is what they look like on my fingertips. Those are the shimmer shades. And those are what the shimmer shades swatched out. Those are very pretty. They look gorgeous. Let's swatch some matte shades. And there is a black in here, guys, which I love. They do feel soft and creamy. This is what the matte shades are looking like on my hand. And these are the matte shades down here swatched out. And I'm telling you, they look really, really, really pretty. I'm feeling this little palette. This is like a perfect fall palette. So, okay, all right. And this, guys, is the Hollywood palette from Iconic Beauty, and it retails for $18. Yeah. So that was my last product in the box. So we're gonna do a quick recap. Final thoughts, we're gonna rate this box, and we're gonna be done. We received from Iconic Beauty this beautiful Hollywood palette here. From Glam Light, this milkshake lip topper here. From Pinky Rose Cosmetics, this beautiful pressed glitter here. And last but not least, from Seal by Afra. I don't know, guys. These beautiful lashes here. 4 products for this month. 3 of which will be going into a giveaway for you guys. So final thoughts on this box. I am pleasantly pleased with the box for it being $15 per month, and I got $18 palette and the Glam Light Milkshake Lip Gloss. I would say that it's an okay box. I do like the palette a lot, so that's why I'm kind of leaning more toward liking this month's box. Is it worth the $15? I would say yes, because I would expect to see these types of products in a $15 per month subscription. Plus, they're introducing us to new brands that we may have never heard of before. So that is a plus. So I do like this month's box. We will see what the next 2 months have to offer and make our final decision on if we're going to keep this box or not. But guys, if I had to rate it on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw it to the, I don't know, just throw it. To 5 being this box is the bomb.com, based on this palette right here that I think swatched beautifully. I'm gonna give Glitz Glam for this month a solid 3.5. Because this palette is really nice. Now, I'll see how it works on my eyes, but it's swatched out beautifully. This is beautiful. The only thing I did not really like were these lashes. They look, you know, kind of cheap, but they are $3. So I would give it I'm gonna say a 3.5 for this month. So I kind of, I'm happy that I resubscribed to Glitz Glam box. Let me know what you guys think of this box down below in the comments. Let me know if you're subscribed to Glitz Glam box. If you have not subscribed to TonyaNicole's Experience, I don't know what you're waiting for. Just go ahead and do it now. Give this video, guys, a big thumbs up. If you do not follow me on social media, all of my links are down below. I am most active on Instagram. I will be doing some giveaways on my Instagram account really soon, so make sure you guys are following me on Instagram. And I think that's all that I have for this video, guys. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna go and film another video now for you guys. So guys, until next time and next video, you all be blessed. I love you all so, so much. Peace.